वेलकम ऑल ऑफ यू. सर्वांचे स्वागत आहे आपले या SD अकॅडमी या यूट्यूब चॅनलवरती. आज आपण इयत्ता 10वी मधील 4.5 झोन ऑफ आर्क या धड्याखाली असलेल्या इंग्लिश वर्कशॉपमधील सर्व प्रश्नांची उत्तरे सविस्तरपणे पाहणार आहोत.
क्वेश्चन 1. रीड द एक्सट्रॅक्ट फ्रॉम GB Shaw's play on zone of arc and fill in the tree diagram. म्हणजे झोन ऑफ आर्क वरील GB शॉच्या नाटकातील उतारा वाचा आणि खालील टी डायग्राम भरा. आन्सर: प्ले झोन ऑफ आर्क, सेटिंग पिरियड 1429, लोकेशन ओर्लियन्स, सीन्स ऑफ द गिवन प्ले द सिटी ऑफ न्यू ओर्लियन्स, कॅरेक्टर्स 1. रॉबर्ट, 2. जॉन, 3. Pauline, 4. Stewart. Main plot 1. The war between England and France. 2. Robert hesitates to meet John. 3. Pauline supports her telling. 4. John is called before Robert and tries to frighten her about the might of the English army. 5. John tells him the causes of French defeats and expresses her determination and courage to lead the French army. 6. Captain agrees to send John to Chinon to meet Dauphin and all she needed to lead the French army. Question 2. Pick out from the play 2 lines each that prove the following. म्हणजे नाटकातून प्रत्येकी 2 ओळी निवडा ज्या पुढील गोष्टी सिद्ध करतात. झोन ऑफ आर्क. फर्स्ट पॉइंट, हर कॉन्फिडन्स म्हणजे तिचा आत्मविश्वास. 1. द डाउफिन विल गिव मी ऑल आय नीड टू फ्री ओर्लियन्स. 2. 3 men will be enough for you to send with me. Next point, her courage म्हणजे तिचे धैर्य. 1. You wouldn't see me but here I am. 2. I can find a soldier's armor that will fit me well enough. Next point, her determination म्हणजे तिचा निर्धार. 1. There will be no trouble for you, Squire. 2. I will teach them all to fight for France. Question 3. Match the comparisons as given in the extract. म्हणजे पाठामध्ये दिल्याप्रमाणे तुलना जुळवा. 1. As easy as. Answer: Yup, chasing a cow. 2. As mad as. Answer: D, as she is. 3. Drive the soldiers. Answer: A, like sheep. 4. The dolphin is dash. Answer: like a rat in the corner. 5. Joan of Arc is. Answer: C, a bit of a miracle. Question 4. Say why. का ते सांगा. A. John wanted to meet the captain, Squire. म्हणजे जॉनला कॅप्टनशी भेटायचे होते. Answer: Captain Squire was to give her a horse, armor and some soldiers and send her to the Dauphin. He thought that she wouldn't dare to meet him, but she was courageous. She came to meet the captain and showed her confidence. She wanted the captain to give her his order to go to Dauphin, the Prince of France. Question B. John did not ask for many soldiers from the captain. म्हणजे जॉनने कॅप्टन स्क्वायर कडून बरेच सैनिक मागितले नाहीत. Answer: John did not ask for many soldiers from the captain Squire because she was confident about giving fight against the English with a few warriors who would join her in the battle. She was also sure that the Dauphin would give her soldiers and all what she needed to free Orleans. Question C. Poligny, Jack and Dick had offered to accompany John. म्हणजे पॉलिंजी, जॅक अँड डिक यांनी जॉन सोबत जाण्याची ऑफर दिली होती. आन्सर. बीइंग काइंड अँड अ जेंटलमॅन, जॅक वुड गो willingly with John and even she managed Poligny as he was sure that she was like a miracle. They had promised to go with John because they had faith in her valor. Everyone was as mad as she was for freedom of their country, so they had offered to accompany John. Question D. French soldiers were always beaten in war. म्हणजे फ्रेंच सैनिकांना युद्धात नेहमीच मारहाण होत असे. आन्सर. The French soldiers were always beaten because they used to fight only to save their skins. They used to run away from the battlefield to save their lives. They always cared only for their own lives and not their nation. Question E. Captain Squire Robert said, I wash my hands of it. कॅप्टन स्क्वायर रॉबर्ट म्हणाला, मी माझे हात धुतो. आन्सर. कॅप्टन स्क्वायर रॉबर्ट realized that John could inspire anyone. Robert was not ready to take any responsibility because he knew that he was taking a big chance and was not sure about the win. He wanted to stay away if anything went wrong by his decision. He would be responsible only for sending John to Dauphin and nothing else. So he said, I wash my hands of it. Question 5. Using a find the difference between the following pairs of phrases. म्हणजे शब्दकोश वापरून खालील फ्रेजेस मधील फरक शोधा. मेक सेंटेन्सेस ऑफ युअर ओन विथ ईच ऑफ देम. त्या प्रत्येकासह तुमची स्वतःची वाक्ये बनवा. 1. टू कट इन मीनिंग इंटरप्ट म्हणजे मध्येच व्यत्यय आणणे. सेंटेन्स. आकाश अँड सुजल वेअर टॉकिंग बट आय कट इन देअर कॉन्व्हर्सेशन. टू कट आउट meaning remove or cut. Sentence. We cut out some emotional scene from our drama. 2. To be held by meaning kept mentioned. Sentence. The program will be held by next Sunday. To be held up meaning delay or stop. Sentence. The picnic was held up by heavy rains. 3. To run away meaning to leave a place secretly म्हणजे पळून जाणे. Sentence. He ran away from jail. To run for meaning run for something. Sentence. We ran for shelter when the rain started. 4. To be known as meaning to be best known as म्हणजे म्हणून ओळखले जाणे. सेंटेन्स. पंडित नेहरू is known as चाचा to all of us. To be known for meaning to be famous or known because of something म्हणजे साठी ओळखले जाणे. सेंटेन्स. सोनू निगम is known for singing. 5. To go with meaning to choose or accept something म्हणजे स्वीकारणे. सेंटेन्स. We should go with seniors. To go after means to try to catch or stop something. Sentence, you would go after him. 6. To put fire into, meaning heat up or put on the fire. Sentence, never put fire into others' lives. To put fire out, meaning to extinguish a fire. Sentence, the firemen put out the fire before too much damage. Question 6. From an Indian history book or internet, find out information about Indian women queens who lead battles. म्हणजे भारतीय इतिहासाच्या पुस्तकातून किंवा इंटरनेटवरून लढाईचे नेतृत्व करणाऱ्या भारतीय महिलांची माहिती मिळवा. फॉर एक्झाम्पल्स, राणी ऑफ झाशी अँड राणी कर्णावती ऑफ मेवाड. उदाहरणार्थ, झाशीची राणी, मेवाडची राणी कर्णावती. राईट एनी 3 points ऑफ सिमिलरिटी अँड 3 points ऑफ कॉन्ट्रास्ट बिटवीन एनी वन ऑफ द अबाव इंडियन क्वीन्स अँड जोन ऑफ आर्क. वरील भारतीय राणी आणि जोन ऑफ आर्क मधील कोणतेही 3 समानतेचे बिंदू आणि 3 विषमतेचे बिंदू लिहा. राईट इन युअर ओन वर्ड्स. तुमच्या स्वतःच्या शब्दात लिहा. सिमिलरिटीज, समानता. ए. यंग अँड ब्युटिफुल. बी. ब्रेव अँड करेजियस. सी. फॉट फॉर देअर किंगडम ऑर नेशन. कॉन्ट्रास्ट म्हणजे फरक. ए. John of Arc was unmarried. B. She was poor being a peasant girl. C. Rani of Jhansi fought for her adopted son and her kingdom. Rani Karnavati fought for her kingdom, but Joan of Arc fought for her nation and led the French army to several victories. Question 7. Read the script from John, girl, good morning, Captain Squire, up to John, simply, Polly and Jack have promised to come with me. Write a summary of that part of the script in indirect speech in 15 to 20 lines. 15 ते 20 ओळीमध्ये पाठाचा अप्रत्यक्ष कथनाद्वारे सारांश लिहा. Answer. John greeted Captain Squire by wishing him good morning. She further accepted that he was to give her a horse, armor, and some soldiers. John further requested him to send her to the Dauphin. Robert got angry. He called Stewart a blockhead and said that the girl was mad. He asked Stewart why he hadn't told him so. Stewart respectfully called the captain sir and urged him not to anger her and to give her what she wanted. Robert threatened John that he could send her back to her father with orders to put her under lock and keys. John challenged Robert if he would really do that. She firmly desired that the things won't happen that way. To prove that, John told Robert that he said he would not see her, but there she was in front of him. Robert asked her if she was assuming that he would give her what she wanted. John answered in affirmative and again told her that a horse would cost 16 francs and it was a very big amount of money, but she could save it on the armor. She could save it on the armor as she didn't need beautiful armor made to her measure. She could find a soldier's armor that would fit her well enough. She also told that she would not want many soldiers. She was sure that the dolphin would give her all she needed to free Orleans. Robert didn't believe in his ears and he doubted about it. John was confident. She answered that 3 men would be enough for him to send with her and declared that Polly and Jack had promised to come with her. Language study. Question 1a. Make the following sentences affirmative without change of meaning. म्हणजे अर्थ न बदलता खालील वाक्ये होकारार्थी बनवा. A. निगेटिव्ह म्हणजे नकारार्थी वाक्य. I am not so sure now. या वाक्याचे होकारार्थी वाक्य बनवायचे आहे. अफर्मेटिव्ह म्हणजे होकारार्थी वाक्य. I am doubtful now. B. निगेटिव्ह. He will not be able to stop them. Affirmative. He will be unable to stop them. C. Negative. I don't remember. Affirmative. I have forgotten. D. Negative. I can do no more. Affirmative. I have done enough. E. Negative. Sir, do not anger her. Affirmative. Sir, do pacify her. F. Negative. I shall not want many soldiers. Affirmative. I hardly want more soldiers. Question B. Fill in the gaps in the table. म्हणजे खालील तक्त्यातील रिकाम्या जागा भरा. नाउन म्हणजे नाम. वर्ब म्हणजे क्रियापद. ॲडजेक्टिव्ह म्हणजे विशेषण. ॲडवर्ब म्हणजे क्रिया विशेषण. 1. सक्सेस, सक्सीड, सक्सेसफुल, सक्सेसफुली. 2. इन्स्पिरेशन, इन्स्पायर, इन्स्पायरिंग, इन्स्पिरेशनली. 3. सेफ्टी, सेफ, सेफ, safely. 4. Believe, believe, believable, believably. 5. Thought, think, thoughtful, thoughtfully. 6. Brightness, brighten, brighten, brightly. 7. Courage, courage, courageous, courageously. 8. Haste, hasten, hasty, hastily. अशा प्रकारे आपल्याला इंग्लिश वर्कशॉपमधील सर्व प्रश्नांची उत्तरे सविस्तरपणे लिहिता येतील. पुढील व्हिडिओमध्ये आपण इयत्ता 10वी मधील 4.6 अ ब्रेव हार्ट डेडिकेटेड टू सायन्स अँड ह्युमॅनिटी या धड्याच्या सुरुवातीला असलेल्या वॉर्मिंग अप चिटचॅट ॲक्टिव्हिटीमधील सर्व प्रश्नांची उत्तरे सविस्तरपणे पाहणार आहोत. धन्यवाद. व्हिडिओ आवडल्यास नक्की लाईक करा, आपल्या मित्रमैत्रिणींना शेअर करा. जर चॅनलला नवीन असाल तर अशाच प्रकारचे व्हिडिओ सर्वात आधी पाहण्यासाठी चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब करा व शेजारील बेल आयकॉन घंटी नक्की दाबा. थँक्यू.